If you want to give yourself a hair spa treatment at home, here are some steps you can follow. Start by washing your hair with a gentle shampoo. This will help to remove any dirt or buildup that may be on your scalp. Apply a hair mask or deep conditioner to your hair. You can use a store-bought product or make your own using natural ingredients like avocado, coconut oil, or honey. Once the mask is applied, wrap your hair in a warm towel or a shower cap. This will help to create a warm, humid environment that will allow the mask to penetrate deeper into your hair. Leave the mask on for about 20-30 minutes, or as directed on the product label. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure to remove all traces of the mask or conditioner. Apply a leave-in conditioner or hair serum to protect and nourish your hair. Style your hair as usual. Remember, regular hair spa treatments can help to keep your hair healthy and strong. Depending on your hair type and concerns, you can adjust the ingredients and frequency of your treatments accordingly.